Hello. So we would like to talk a bit about our project in for the hackathon. So what we did is basically a Discord bot that figures out cyberbullying, sexual harassment, as well as depression from the messages that are present in the server, and intimates them to the administrator or moderator of the given server. So Shreyas, if you would like to show a demo of the working via Discord.
Yes. So the bot only gets triggered when a negative message is put. So if I write something like "Hello, I am Shreyas," it won't trigger anything, obviously. But if I write something inappropriate, like "You are being a bitch," this is obviously something inappropriate, and the bot will inform Arjo, who is the server owner, of this inappropriate behavior. And we are putting it out in public because such kind of behavior needs to be called out so that it can be discouraged. As you can see, Arjo has also put an example of something inappropriate to say, and then the server owner has been informed.
Also, regarding the depression tagger that we had made ourselves, Shivan, should you like to elaborate?
Yeah, so we realized during these stressful times where a lot of people do use Discord to connect, it is important. They may not be very forthcoming about if they have depression or not, but a lot of their text can signify such cases. Therefore, we created a model based on linear regression to and bag of words so that we can analyze properly whether we can give that a rating between 0 and 4 of how negative the thoughts of a person is who is sending the message. So here we have used Google's word2x so as to convert a word to its word embedding and a vector then. And then we have also cleaned the data by using WordNet and Lematizer and NLTK. And then we have removed all the non-existent words using the word2x dictionary. Then Shreyas, if you could go down a bit to the final function. This is a final function which just needs to be fed a sentence and it will return to you a rating. And now, let's just go to the main function of Discord. So,
Also,
yeah.
so this is basically how we implemented our entire bot. Also, we use the Google Translate API to translate from different languages to English so that we can successfully figure out and tag messages.
And cater to everyone.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So,
here if a message is sent, then you just and if a rating is less than 1, and why have we have chosen 1 is because it is extremely rare cases that we get 1, and such cases should definitely be monitored and they definitely need to be checked upon. Then we send a message to the owner that this is happening. You should probably look into it. So Shreyas, take it back.
so
Right. So that was about our project. Just to recap, our project is a bot that monitors users for inappropriate behavior and monitors their depression and informs the server owner. And the things that we used are the
yeah,
Discord API.
yeah, everything is well documented in the
Yeah,
README, as well as we have we have
right.
mentioned further ideas and how would we like to develop the bot much further because we intend to make this a long-term project. I
Right.
will thank you. We should stop
Yeah.
recording here.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.